Today I'm going to show you how to install Manim, the mathematical animation tool on Windows 11. Okay, so if you go to the Manim website, then the official documentation for installation is not the best way to install Manim either on Windows or Mac. Okay, so in this video I'll show you how to install it correctly and also completely. So let's get started. First of all, I want to show you an animation that I just rendered with Manim. Okay, just with Python and Manim with a few lines of code, I have rendered this animation as a video, and currently it is being played via VLC media player. Okay, so let's directly jump into installing Manim on my Windows computer. First of all, first thing first, you have to have few things pre-installed if you do not already have it. The first one is obviously Python. You have to have Python installed, and while installing Python you have to have it added to your path. This is very important. Here, as you can see, like this, you have to check this when installing. I have a tutorial on how to install Python and pip on Windows. I'll add the link in the video description. After installing Python, another tool you will have to install is FFmpeg. Okay, so yeah, this one here, FFmpeg is another important tool which transcode things to video or audio. Okay, installing FFmpeg is also pretty straightforward. You have to go to the Windows build. The link will be in the description, and from that link you will download the zip and extract it, place it in a folder and add the path of the bin folder to your environment variable. You can watch the full tutorial from this video. It will be linked in the description. So after installing Python and then FFmpeg, we can jump into installing Manim. Let's go to my terminal and check the version of Python, pip and FFmpeg. By the way, pip is already packaged with Python. So Python version, it is Python 3.13 pre-installed. Then pip version, it is pip 25. Then FFmpeg version. FFmpeg version is the latest 2025 build. Okay, so I have all those things in the right place, currently installed on my machine. So I'm on my downloads folder. I'm creating a new Manim project here, Manim _ demo _ project. You can create this folder wherever you want, but after creating the folder you have to open the command prompt inside the folder. So I'm clicking on the path and typing cmd and pressing enter, and the command prompt started here. So now I have to step by step correctly install Manim. Since we have pip installed, first thing I want to do is I want to create a virtual environment inside this. So pip install virtual env. Okay, so if it is not installed, then it will be installed here. Then I'll create a new virtual environment. So the command will be python -m tells Python to run a module as script. Then I'll type venv. Venv means built-in module that create a virtual environment. Then a name of folder which will have the environment dependency. So I am putting that as venv. Okay, so now my virtual environment is created. Now I have to activate the environment. So the command will be venv /scripts, capital S into scripts, and /activate. Okay, so now it is showing venv before the environment, so it is virtual environment. So my virtual environment is created. Now it is time to install Manim. So the command is pretty obvious, pip install Manim. And if it is being installed for the first time, then it will take some time, like a few minutes or so. So wait for it to complete. So Manim is now installed. Now let's check the version of Manim. The version of Manim is 0.19. So let's check if the dependencies for Manim is installed. So it did not install latex yet, so it should not be configured yet. So let's check that with Manim check health. So this will show what is already installed and what is not. So as you can see, Manim is on my path. Executables belong to Manim past, but latex is not available yet. If you need mathematical formula in your animation, then you'll have to install latex. Okay, so latex installation have no complexity here. You can just install official latex dependency and it will be shown here. That's it. Now since Manim demo project is created and uh, it is working as a separate environment, so let's create a new folder here, new file here, new Python file like example.py and open this on Notepad++. So I have created a new file called example.py on this Manim demo project folder, and I'm pasting some code here, some Manim code. This will show a 3 surface demo I have shown you. So this is just some surface in 3D. Let's save it and go to the command prompt once again. Now here the command to execute the written Python code is manim hyphen p means directly play, qh means quality high, so together hyphen pqh, then the name of the file, here it is example.py, and optional name of the class in Python, so that is this one. So let's press enter and see what happens. So it is now creating the animation as an MP4. As you can see, we have a new folder called media, and after the animation preparation is done, it will save the video to that media folder. Now this is the video which is rendered from this code here using Python and Manim. Now let's go to the media folder, videos. Example is the name of the file. It is 1080p 60 fps video, and yeah, this is the video, this is the animation, it is just 7 seconds long. Okay, so as you can see, this is the video I have just rendered. So Manim is now configured and it is workable.